Which company launched the Gemini chatbot? Google. What is the smallest unit of data in a computer? Bit. What does Ctrl+Z do in most applications? Undo. What is the full form of IP in networking? Internet Protocol. Which key is used to delete to the left of the cursor? Backspace. Which is the main circuit board of a computer? Motherboard. What is CAPTCHA used for? Human verification. What does bit stand for? Binary digit. Which is the fastest type of memory? Cache. What do you call a printed copy of your work? Hard copy. Who invented the World Wide Web? Tim Berners-Lee. What is phishing? A hacking trick. What is the function of the F5 key in most browsers? Refresh. What kind of device is a joystick? Input. Which does AI use to learn new things? Data. What is a collection of 1024 bytes called? Kilobyte. Which computer can be carried around easily? Laptop. Which company developed ChatGPT? OpenAI. What does Bluetooth technology enable? Wireless data transfer. What is a software that harms your computer called? Malware. What does the X app replace? Twitter. What is the shortcut key for paste? Ctrl+V. Which of these is an input and output device? Touchscreen. Which company makes the iPhone? Apple. What does QR stand for in QR code? Quick response.